So we're going to focus on this glued page here, okay? So let's zoom in on the beginning, okay? And let's do the first word. The word expand means make bigger. So I'm going to take this as x cubed. X, 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 y4, y, 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 and then z1. That's it. Expand. Just means make bigger. This one. This means we're going to take this to the fourth power. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Expand. The next one. Take the top. A, 5. B, 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 3. 1A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Expand. Done. This one, I'm going to take this and I'm going to write it 4 times. 2M, 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 and then 3. Each one is multiplied. Done. Okay, expand. Now, if I say expand and then simplify, I'm going to show you what I mean in each of these problems. So if I was to do this problem, this would be 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. This is simplify. Let's go to this one. This would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Simplify. If I go to this one, this would be gone. This would be gone. Gone, gone, boom. A to the fourth, boom, B cubed. Simplify. This would be M, 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 M4. 3 times 2 is 6. Times 2 is 12. Times 2 is 24. Times 2, 48. Simplify. So now we're going to do this one. And we're going to expand and simplify. So here's how we do it. X, 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 Y, 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 X, Y, Y. So I look. X's. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. I see my Y's. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Y6. Simplify. I see this one. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. Done. 3. 1, A, because there's 1 right there, and then 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I multiply 6 times 3, 18. Count my A's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A, 6. I count my B's. 2 here, 7 here. I have 9. And then boom, there's my C. Simplify. So 18. Let's go to the next one. This means write it 3 times. 1, 2, 3. 4 times 4, 16. Times 4, 64. Then X, 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 X cubed. Simplify. The next one, I write this 4 times. Negative 2ab cubed, negative 2ab cubed, negative 2ab cubed, negative 2ab cubed. But it's multiply, so I multiply. Negative, negative, positive. Negative, negative, positive. 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 8 times 2, 16. How many A's do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4. A4. How many B's do I have? 3, 6, 9, 12. Let me show that, B12. Okay? Let's go to the next one. When I see this one, A, 1, 2, 3, 4, B, B, B. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Bye-bye, 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 bye-bye. So if you look, I have one more A left, and I have 3 B's left. So I have 1 A on top, A. And then I have, oops, oh my gosh, I'm sorry, you can't see that. So I have 1 A on top, and I have 3 B's on the bottom. So A over B cubed. I do this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom. 1, 2, 1. Bye-bye, bye-bye. Boom. Here's my x's. X cubed. On top. Bye-bye. All of these are my y's. Y7. Okay? Now I do this one. I see 20. 20 is 5 times 4. X, X, X. Y, 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 Y. 5 times 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Line. Bye-bye. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So when I look, I have the 4 left on the top. I have, well, nothing else left on the top. If you look, I have all these X's on the bottom. X4 on the bottom. And then I have all these Y's on the bottom, 4 on the bottom. And that's my answer. So let's do the next one. 20 is 2 multiply 10. Okay? X, X, X. Y, 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 Y. That's the top. The bottom. 2 multiply 7. X. 4 Y's. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 here, bye-bye. 3 X's. Oh, wait. 1 X and 1 X. I'm left with 2 X's here. I'm left with a 10 here and a 7 here. And then when I look, all the Y's are gone and all the Y's are gone. So I don't have any Y's left. So I'm left with 10 X squared over 7. Okay, let's do the last one. These two. This is 5 times 6, and this is 5 times 1. 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, let me make that. I'll do parentheses. 4, 5. 1, 2. Bye. Bye. Boom. I'm left with 6 times 1, 2, 3. 10 to the third. Let's do this one. 64 is 8 multiply 8. This is 8 multiply 1. 10 nines. Now this is going to be annoying, but I want you to see I can go like this. I want to show you a little trick to make it faster. Because 5 plus 4 is 9. So now bye-bye. And I don't have to write them all out. Bye-bye. 8 times 10 to the fourth. Because I'm left with the 8 and the 10 to the fourth. Let's do the next one. This means 3 times 10 to the fourth, and another 3 times 10 to the fourth. That's all the top. That means that's really 9 times 10 to the 8th on top, and this is 9 times 10 cubed on the bottom. 9 on top, 9 on bottom, bye-bye. This is the same as 10 cubed, 10 to the 5th, over 10 cubed. This 10 and this 10, gone. So now my answer is 1 times 10 to the 5th. Let's do this one. Just multiply. 9 times 4, 36. If I have 3 and I have 5, I have 8. Those are your notes, okay? Now, your homework is 1-68 and 1-72. Make sure you're doing your homework.